We begin tonight with the Detroit firefighters' fearless rescue, all captured on body camera. Welcome to 7 News Detroit at 6. I'm Carolyn Clifford.
And I'm Simon Shaquette. Thank you for joining us. The flames intense, the smoke blinding, but that did not stop firefighter Donald Faulkner from charging toward danger to save a woman trapped inside a burning SUV on the city's west side. Now the survivor's family is calling him nothing short of a hero.
Randy Wembley is your Detroit reporter, and tonight he has the story behind this incredible rescue and the reunion that followed.
Stunning body-worn camera footage shows Detroit firefighter Donald Faulkner risking his life to pull 52-year-old Latashia Collins from a burning SUV.
I heard her screaming just to help, I look at, I'm from here, I look at all these citizens like family members. So I look at it's like my own mom's in there.
The January rescue happened on the city's west side, and Faulkner has now been honored for his heroism. It was right here on Davison off of Petoskey. Collins was a passenger in that SUV, which caught fire after a crash involving a truck. Faulkner tried to open up her door to get her out, but it was locked. That didn't stop you?
No, sir. Tried to pull the door. That one I checked all of them, and after that, I just found the best route, try to get her out with least injuries as possible.
Collins suffered multiple fractures, third-degree burns, and internal bleeding, injuries that required several surgeries.
She really, truly has made a tremendous recovery, given everything that she's gone through, the amount of time that she's had to be in the intensive care unit because of the sequelae of her injuries. She has worked so hard, and she really, truly is a miracle.
Faulkner and Fire Commissioner Chuck Sims recently visited Collins in the hospital.
Thank you so much.
Her road to recovery is far from over, but her family is grateful she's alive. They credit surgeons and medical staff at DMC Detroit Receiving Burn Center and Faulkner for saving her life.
Thank you to the Detroit firefighters. I'm really thankful and grateful for them, and I feel like they deserve more recognition than what they get. Honestly, because they really are. The firefighters are really the real heroes.
You consider yourself a hero?
I'm just doing my job, man. I'm just glad she's doing better. Keep praying for her. Hope she keep healing up. And, just love to her family.
On the city's west side, Randy Wembley, 7 News Detroit.
That is a hero.
Yes, way to step up. And Randy Wembley is your Detroit reporter. If you have a story idea and want to connect with Randy, scan the QR code you see on your screen. You can also email Randy at randy.wembley@wxyz.com.
All right, now